In this video I'm showing you is a finished graver, finished from the bench grinder, and you can see the subtle changes I've given it. I'm now going to have a very smooth surface for my front finger. It's going to rest in place. On my thumb, I'm going to have a thumb guard because I don't want to have this very sharp part of the blade digging into my thumb pad, because if you're not going to have this thumb pad on, you're going to be cutting into your skin. Then you're going to go to the tripling machine, polishing machine, and rouge, and after a few days you might get an infection. So what I suggest everybody who's going to do any bright cutting is to get a thumb guard. These are only a couple of dollars each at a office supply store. Get them, because they're more important than having an infection in your thumb. Let's go back to the graver. It is number 2 Onglette number 2 graver, and you can see the yellow tang that's still being exposed into the wooden handle. And what I'm doing now is showing you that my baby finger will be preventing this handle from sliding out of my palm when I'm doing some bright cutting. And the 3 fingers are going to be supporting the shaft of the graver, the handle, and my thumb for a resting spot. So all my 5 fingers are used in holding the graver. And if you want to move your thumb forward, that is up to you, whatever's more comfortable for you. And this is one of the best gravers you could find. It's Onglette number 2 for bright cutting purposes. Onglette number 1 is for rough cutting, making the initial cut prior to the bright cutting stages. And this is going to go to a subscriber on Orchid, and she's going to be seeing this video, and she's going to be so happy when she sees this. And this is made just for her. And this is what's going to be done. My next video